amazing. Today on this 18th of June 2023, we have Vesijärvenkatu 5 to 7 staircase D. I have filmed probably staircase A before.
Yeah,
Yes. It was A.
Yeah.
So I have the staircases B, C, and D left to be filmed.
Yeah, I have only B.
Yeah. The Vestige Sport Processor 3 and 25 grams was built in 1986. It turned 35 years old in 2021. And this has two rides here, but it's knife wash.
Yeah.
Oh, 87. So this is the turn of the year 1986, 87.
Yes.
Early 1987. This number says 64034. It's going to be inspected the next year, 2024. It actually turned 35 years old in 2022.
Yeah.
In last year. But I should have made it faster.
Yeah.
This is the slow. Well, we have filmed some from 1985 and 86 that are the slow or
Yeah.
horse in Hakonila.
Yeah.
Yeah. There is nobody coming.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Inspected by Kivais, maintained by Kone.
Yeah. I think the serial numbers are a bit weird because it is the turn of the year 1986.
Yeah.
I like the sounds in this bed in here.
Same here.
And I want to check the alarm button on the second floor. It's probably there.
Yeah.
Check it.
That's